still think I'm going to make it. It's not raining. This is my second attempt to go to the place that we're going to today. The last time I came down here, it started absolutely pouring down. Today I'm wearing my German Army parachute boots. They're absolutely brilliant, and they're going to be suitable for the ground I'm going to be walking on. Ground like this. See if this will work. That's trendy, isn't it? I'm trending. I'm going to look a bit special, but it should be okay. Oh, this isn't very nice at all. Things I do to make a video. So glad I brought these boots along with me. Can I get through? Oh yes. Today I'm looking for a bridge. It's 3 meters wide and 4 meters long. So if I can negotiate this. Oh yeah, it wasn't too bad. I've left some footprints. Leave only footprints. I'd be absolutely stuffed without these boots. They're brilliant. I bought them from an army surplus store. They're like new, a few years ago, and they've got little flaps. They got the leather flap on the inside, comes all the way up to here, so you can get into mud up to here and not get wet. So when I say flaps, I mean the gusset on the tongue. I think it's tongue. Is it a tongue? The gusset comes all the way up to here, so in theory you can get mud up to here and still be okay, but I wouldn't want to push it that far. Oh, so I can get down here without slipping on my backside. Now we got the rickety wooden gate. Let's negotiate that. Spring's gone, but never mind. I've not been here before. I've seen it on a map. I've done a little bit of research, so this is as new to me as it will be to you. That's nice and peaceful there. I'd love a bit of land of my own at some point and have a bit of peaceful water going through it. It'd be lovely. Right, let's try the other one. How are we doing? Down here. Oh, there we go. I actually went the wrong way. I need to go back, retrace my steps and get on the other side of this little bit of water. I'm so pleased that it's not raining today and I'm out. It's been absolutely horrendous. It's rained just about every single day. Sort the wonky gate out. Right, we're off in this direction. Now I've got to negotiate this. Gosh. Oh, I feel so sorry for cows in fields. Don't think anybody's been down here for a while. I hope I'm going the right way. Ow, can't get that rope off. Either I've got this right or horribly wrong. I can see where we're going in the distance. It's a listed building of sorts. But I've got to get past this first. Oh my word. This is not pleasant. I don't think I'm going to make it as much as I want to. It gets worse just down here. I get the feeling I'm going to go forward another step and then just completely disappear. And I'm up to my knees, but this might be okay. This might be okay. I think we've done it. Wow. We've still got a bit more to go, but we're nearly there. Oh, this is turning to be out to be quite an adventure. Let's get around these brambles. I think we've done the worst of it. If I go up the centre here, he's just in front of me. It's a grade 2 listed building. Can you see it? Welcome to the bridge over the River Yo. Believe it or not, this is a grade 2 listed building. I'll get me cup of tea out and me lunch and I'll tell you all about it. This bridge predates 1835, believe it or not. I thought that was a fantastic statistic or fact. Just enough. So this is the bridge over the River Yo at a place called Congsbury in North Somerset, and I'll read it to you because I won't be able to remember it all. The bridge across the River Yo at Congsbury is circa 1800. Dressed pennant stone, rubble infill, a single span arch, approximately 3 metres wide and 4 metres long, consisting of a single row of fusors. I can't say that name, I'm going to put it up on the screen. On either side. There is no parapet. Whether one existed or has been knocked down into the river is unclear. This bridge is understood to predate a map of 1835. So to explain this in its simplest form, it's a little stone arched bridge. The main bit of the walkway is simply bits of junk thrown in the middle. And it's still happily standing here after nearly 200 years. I think that's absolutely incredible. How a simple arch stone bridge can just sit here happily. Nobody's looked after it. Nobody's done anything to it. It's just here. It exists. What a testament that is to the blokes who laboured away and brought all the stones in and built this beautiful little bridge. And people today, they go over here and they don't realise what it's all about. They have no idea of the age of it. It just blows my mind. And we've got such beautiful treasures just under our feet. I was feeling extra lazy today, so I just brought out some bits that I had left over in the fridge. Not very exciting, and I wasn't sure how well the weather was going to be. I didn't know if it was going to change its mind and start raining or whatever. I've got a piece of garlic bread left over from Valentine's Day. I did some camembert in the oven, and Mrs. InfoZhed and I, we had camembert each and a salad, and we had some toast, some garlic bread toast or whatever. Still edible. I don't think I would do the camembert again. because when you're taking in the richness of that soggy cheese, I swear to God, it's just blocking up my arteries as I was eating it. So I wouldn't do that again. But it was a good experience. So I've got some of that left over, and I've also got a chicken schnitzel to enjoy while I'm watching the beautiful river and having me cup of tea. I brought you down low so you can see the construction of the bridge a bit better. You got a simple arch and you got a few stones either side, and that's pretty much it. With all the rain we've had, you can see the flow on the river is phenomenal. Do you remember when I came through this way and I was up to here in mud? I needn't have come this way. I could have just gone through the field next door. I've been glad to get out today and it's not been raining. I was at home this morning and out in the back garden. Oh, there's a new spring on there. How well does he work? Not very. So let's tie him on. Where was I? What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I was glad to come out today. It's half term at the moment. All the kids in the UK, they're all off school. And one of the neighbours, I don't know who, their kid has decided he or she wants to play a trumpet. I think it was a trumpet. And so I've been listening to that out in my back garden, and it's not pleasant. It was proper unpleasant, if I'm to be honest. Well, I guess everybody's got to start to learn somewhere, haven't they? I'm back to the bridge. I went over twice earlier. I came this way into the field, thought I couldn't go any further, and then went back through it and along there and then up the lane. What I could have done was just keep walking up into that corner up to the bridge I was looking for, but I didn't know that at the time. If you've enjoyed this little outing together, then don't forget to give it a like, maybe a hype, and even subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Is that enough? Right, let's go back and get a camera. Try not to slip on my backside. See you next time.